In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps for multiple stops. We'll walk through how to plan a trip with several places to visit, all from your computer, so your route is clear before you head out. Start by opening Google Maps on your PC. You can use any modern web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see the map and a panel on the left. That's where you'll set up your route. You don't need to sign in just to plan. The basic tools are available right away. Next, click the Directions button. This opens the Directions panel with two fields, one for your starting point and one for your first destination. It also shifts the map to show your route as you go, which makes it easier to see what's happening. Enter your starting point and your destination. You can type a full street address, a city name, or the name of a place like a store or landmark. As you type, Google Maps suggests matches. Choose the correct one to avoid mistakes. If your start is your current location, you can type that or the exact address where you'll begin. After you select both, you'll see a route appear on the map along with an estimated travel time. Now add your next stop. Click Add Destination, and a new field appears under your first two. Type the address or place name for the next stop, then select it from the suggestions. The map will update to include that stop, showing how the route changes and how your total time adjusts. Click Add Destination again to include another stop and enter its address. Each time you add a destination, Google Maps recalculates the route and timing, so you can see how each stop affects your trip. Use clear addresses and include the city or neighborhood if there are similar names nearby. Once you've added your stops, reorder them to match the order you plan to visit. In the list on the left, click and hold the drag handle next to a stop and move it up or down. As you rearrange, watch the map and the time estimate update. This is helpful for reducing backtracking, grouping nearby places, and getting a smoother flow. Think about traffic patterns and how you naturally move across the area. A small change in order can save a lot of time. That's it. With your starting point, destination, added stops, and the right order set, your multi-stop route is clearly laid out and easy to follow.